New bill would help California counties tally votes quicker. After some election results took a month to determine a winner, a Central Valley lawmaker is looking to restore the public's faith in the process. Republican California Assemblyman Juan Alanis introduced 2 bills for consideration in 2025 aimed at addressing election concerns among constituents, including the speed of counting and confusion about district boundaries. According to his office, Assembly Bill 16 would order election officials to start processing ballots the first day they are mailed instead of allowing counties to determine when they had capacity to begin tallying votes, after it took a month to determine California's 13th congressional district with challenger Democrat Adam Gray narrowly defeating incumbent Representative John Duarte, Republican California, by 187 votes out of more than 210,000 cast. The bill's author said the process needs expediting. "This is not acceptable and it's embarrassing for all Californians," Alanis said in a statement emailed to the Epoch Times. Entire nations of similar population and geographical size count their election results in hours. We can and must do better. According to the bill, processing includes verifying signatures, opening envelopes and removing ballots, duplicating any ballots that arrive damaged, preparing forms for tallying, adding write-in votes, and counting ballots by machine.